Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to change the trimmer line on your Honda trimmer. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is remove the head by rotating this clockwise. If there's any line on there, just remove it. Next you're going to measure out about 20 feet of line and find the center. Give it a little bend. Take the other end and you're going to feed it into the hole there. Pull it all the way through until you get to the center. Right there. Okay, from there, on the back of the spool it says wind line this direction. So as you're turning this spool and you're winding the line, you're going to keep your finger in between to separate the two lines. The line I use is 0.095 inches in diameter, and I'll leave a link in the description for it. Once you have about 6 inches left, you're going to pop it into these notches. Just like that. Next you're going to take your head and run the lines through the eyelets. The bottom of the spool has 2 notches. You're going to line those 2 notches up with these 2 nipples. In a quick motion, pop it in. Rotate this counterclockwise, and then double check that the line has popped out of the tabs. There you go. You want to trim off the excess, and you're ready to go. Do me a huge favor, guys, and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.